I think we do. Wagwan. What's going on? Wagwan. Negril Great Morass is Jamaica's second. Wow. Interesting notes about Jamaica. They drive on the left side of the road, and their steering wheels in the cars are on the right side. People are pretty friendly. They are definitely hustling you, at least in the tourist areas, obviously. Trying to get you to spend. I mean, I bought a coconut for 400 Jamaican dollars. Did not plan to make. But it was good. Worth the money. He said it was $5. That's a rip. I think $2.50 is better. Transportation here in the shared route taxis are cheap. Super cheap. But you gotta wait for them to get full, which could be a couple minutes, could be half hour, maybe longer if it's bigger. So if you do go in a taxi, go when it's almost full, or go in a smaller size vehicle. Some of them have fit, like yesterday I had to have like 16 people in it. And then the second one from Lucia to Negril had maybe five or so. Much better. From Antigua Bay to Lucia was 300 Jamaican dollars. Lucia to Negril was 400 Jamaican dollars. The taxi, which I'm realizing was a rip from the airport to Transport Center, was 1,000. So he got away good. But it was a private taxi, so maybe I just paid for the extra seats. And he gave me some good pointers, and he set up the second taxi because that Transport Center looked rough. This is the way coming back from the main town of Negril. Just went to Hammond's Bakery. Got some cocoa bread and a infamous patty, beef patty, really good. Also got some porridge here for 300, for about a little over $2 USD, 300 Jamaican. I think you're supposed to walk on the left. I don't know. It makes sense because that's where cars go. I am so used to walking on the right. Anyways, Negril, touristy area, Lots of people hawking at you. Everyone is offers you. See, now this guy's on the fucking right. Dude, I don't get it. Usa. Negril has a heritage of piracy. Captain Jack, Mary Read, they were all captured here. Interesting. You can download the app and explore it more. Self-guided tour. So this is the main road. It's called, I forget, but oh, there's a school here. That's pretty dope. Lots of bars. The route taxis are really cool because you could just walk on the side of the road and they'll kind of honk at you if they have space, and you could just jump in and jump out wherever. There's no designated routes. I think the only designated routes are really the starting and the end points, and maybe some larger destinations along the way. Ooh, a gym. Wouldn't mind getting a workout in. Let's see how much a day pass is.